So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And a new open source model that is Ling-1T has been dropped. It has 1 trillion parameters and it is now the best open source model, beating out Kimi K2, DeepSeek V3.2, and others as well. The model is a mixture of expert with 50 billion parameters getting activated every time with an expert. So first of all, we'll try out the model. How to use a model for free? It is available for free to test on Hugging Face Spaces and on the official webpage hosted by Link team, that is Experience Now. I will be switching to that. So I'll be sharing the link to the URL where you can test out the model for free, because running a 1 trillion parameter model is very difficult in a local system, so you should not try it out. So let's test out the model first, then we'll be talking about its key features. So here you can see that we have included inclusion AI link 1T. ZenMux is the official web page where the model is available, and you can start talking to it. Hey buddy, what's up? Let me hit enter. It's quite fast, as you can see. You can test out the model for free here. Let me ask it something. What's your take about US monopoly in the world? It's quite fast, as you can see, and I can see that the quality of output is also looking quite interesting. I'm not testing it out on multiple problems. That is not our job for now. But this is the platform where you can try out the model for free, because running a 1 trillion model is just not possible. Here you can see the latency, total time taken, input and output. Now let's talk about the key features of the model. Ling-1T, the best open source LLM now. 1 trillion parameter model that redefines efficient intelligence. What is Ling-1T? It is a mixture of expert model, 50 billion active parameters, part of the Ling 2.0 series. It is trained on 20 trillion plus reasoning heavy tokens. Supports 128K context length, and it's the first flagship non-thinking model. That's interesting. A non-thinking flagship model, Ling 2.0 architecture I already mentioned. It's a sparse activation model trained on 20T plus tokens. It uses evolutionary chain of thoughts baked into training to evolve reasoning abilities. I'm not sure what does this mean, so we'll be exploring that separately in a video. Efficient reasoning without redundant token expansion. Efficient reasoning that rivals closed models. Looking at the benchmarks, the model is already able to beat out DeepSeek V3.1, Kimi K2, GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro as well. Superior performance in code generation, competition level math, symbolic reasoning. On AIMA benchmark, it has extended to the Pareto's frontier for higher reasoning accuracy with low token usage. It is tighter, faster, and more direct reasoning compared to GPT-5 and DeepSeek R1. And here you can see the benchmarks. Visual intelligence is also there. So it has visual reasoning too. It has synthetic function, syntax function, aesthetics reward mechanism. These are little complex topics that I'm not jumping into. Generates correct functional and visually pleasing code as well. First place amongst open models on artifacts benchmark. It is the front end generation benchmark. So the model is quite good at front end generation code as well. Trillion scale intelligence and transfer. This is important. It is using 1 trillion parameters, so that's huge. Emergent behaviors at trillion parameter threshold. Interpret complex natural instructions. Convert logic into visual code components. Write cross platform UI code as well. It is multilingual. Stylistical coherent text also it can generate. Here you can see how the model was trained. Architectural and hyperparameter scalability under 1E25, 1E26 flops. The QK normalization for fully stable convergence in the attention metrics, QKV if you remember. Sigmoid scoring expert routing without auxiliary loss. Floating point 8 mixed precision is used. And VSM scheduler is used. I'm not jumping into details, these are quite complex topics. What is the post training? How does the post training look like? It has a evolutionist chain of thought era, as mentioned earlier. Continues refining reasoning after pre training, also expanding the accuracy efficiency trade off frontier. It is also using a reinforcement learning technique like linguistics unique policy optimization, which enables deeper reasoning without fewer steps. Looking at the benchmark, I think already shown that the model is leading on open source quite easily. What are the limitations? GQA based attention still costs more than computation. Limiting agenting abilities, I think that is important. Sometimes break roles or instruction identity. Some issues are there, but I think still the model looks quite interesting. It's trending on Hugging Face at number one. Final thoughts. First, 1 trillion parameter model that actually uses its scale efficiently. Flagship non thinking model redefines what efficient intelligence is. So, with this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out Ling-1T on the official link that is given and let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much.